Want to permanently delete your Yahoo email account from your iPhone? Before you open the Yahoo Mail app and start removing accounts, there is one important thing you need to know. Removing your Yahoo account from the Yahoo Mail app does not permanently delete your Yahoo account. To permanently delete it, you must use a web browser such as Safari or Chrome and complete the process through Yahoo's official account termination page. So in this video, I'll show you the correct way to delete your Yahoo email account on iPhone in 2026. Step 1. Open Safari on your iPhone. On your iPhone home screen, open Safari. You can also use Chrome if you prefer, but for this tutorial, we'll use Safari. Step 2. Search for Yahoo account termination page. In the search bar, type Yahoo account termination page and search. Make sure you choose Yahoo's official result. Do not open random websites that ask for your password or claim they can delete the account for you. Step 3. Open Yahoo's official account termination page. From the search results, open Yahoo's official account termination page. The page should be from Yahoo, not a third-party website. This is important because account deletion should only be done through Yahoo's own official page. Step 4. Sign in with the Yahoo account you want to delete. Yahoo may ask you to sign in. Enter the Yahoo email address that you want to permanently delete. Then enter the password and continue. Be careful here. If you have multiple Yahoo accounts, make sure you are signing in to the correct one. Step 5. Complete security verification if Yahoo asks. Yahoo may ask you to verify that it's really you. This could be a code, recovery email, phone verification, or another security check. Complete the verification using your own recovery method. If you cannot pass the security check, you may need to recover access to the Yahoo account first before you can delete it. Step 6. Read the account termination warning carefully. After signing in, Yahoo will show information about what happens when the account is closed. Do not rush this screen. Yahoo says you may lose access to account data and content, such as emails, email folders, calendars, Yahoo Fantasy Teams, and Yahoo Finance portfolios. Read everything carefully before continuing. Step 7. Tap Continue Deleting My Account or the similar on-screen option. If you understand the warning and still want to continue, tap the option that says Continue Deleting My Account or similar wording. The exact button text may change, so follow Yahoo's official screen. Step 8. Re-enter your Yahoo email address if Yahoo asks. Yahoo may ask you to type your email address again to confirm that you are deleting the correct account. If this appears, carefully enter the same Yahoo email address. Double-check the spelling before moving forward. Step 9. Tap the Final Confirmation button. Yahoo may show the final confirmation button such as Yes, delete this account, or similar wording. Before tapping it, pause for a moment. This is the final confirmation step. After this, Yahoo will start the account closure process, and you may lose access to your Yahoo Mail and connected Yahoo services. If you are sure, tap the Final Confirmation button. Step 10. Wait for Yahoo's confirmation message. After you submit the request, wait for Yahoo's confirmation message. Yahoo should confirm that the account closure request has been received or that the account is scheduled for closure. Read the confirmation screen carefully. If Yahoo gives you a reactivation period or warns that signing back in can reactivate the account, do not sign back into the account unless you want to stop or reverse the deletion process. And that's how to delete your Yahoo email account on iPhone in 2026. If this video helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple iPhone and email account tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.